Here I've got Motorola Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to change video quality on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera app, then let's go with all these settings and move to the video mode. Click on the settings icon and now select video size right here. So smoothly by tapping the preferred option you can change the video resolution. Let me pick 4K, and now you can record in this video resolution. So this is it, that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily change video mode in your Motorola Razr from 2019. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.